Hello guys, how are you? Today I'll show you how to turn off your Windows update permanently. So first of all you have to go to start menu, then type RU and run, then you will find this run desktop app, run. Then you have to type services.msc. And hit enter or OK. It will give you this window, and then you have to find out the Windows update here. I am finding the Windows update here. Windows update, here is Windows update. So right click on it, then go to properties, then you have to select this manual to disable, then you have to stop this, so stop, then it will stop, then apply, then OK. So it will disable your Windows for any further update, and that will not update your Windows anymore. Thank you to watching my video. If you like my video, if you want to get more videos from next time, you can subscribe my channel, you can click on bell button so that you can get the immediate videos from me. If you like my video, you can like, comment and share this video. Thank you guys.